So hi everyone, and welcome again to my channel today. So I want to teach you how to make a simple gele with your Ankara, just few seconds if you want to attend an occasion. This cloth I made it myself. I didn't sew it, I didn't cut the material and make. So the material, if you have watched my last video I posted, I just bought up a material that's ready to be cut. I just made an improvised top. Yes, I made this top with just nothing. You watch my last video I posted, you see how I made this top, right? I just picked up a material there, just improvised this top. I just wanted to learn how to make out some things on your own that will make you look unique and stand out if you want to attend an occasion or people would know you with it. Make yourself a brand. Make yourself a brand. I am a whole lot of brand. So that's for the top. Let's do this. So this hat, get your Ankara, no matter the size. But let it be a bit like more than a yard or a yard. See what I did though. I didn't do any folding, any gathering, any rubber band. No. I just folded into two equal halves. I just took it to the back. At the center of it, took it to the back and tied. See what I did. As I tied that, I folded into two equal halves. I tied at the back. Now, see what I did. Just push it, let it not cover your front. Then, pick up the edges of the two sides again and make the middle loose. Make the middle loose, right? Let that make the full loose. Don't fold it. Just take the two edges again. You see it? Just widen it like an umbrella. Then you take the two edges again to the back and tie that same place you've tied the very first one. Remember, the first tying is the usual way of tying your hair tie you take to the back or scarf you tie. So this second one is to running two edges to that same place and tie, you see it. So you just push it back and use your hands to make the proper arrangement to where you want it, right? That's just what I did. You can leave, you don't want to with this, because you've tied the two edges at the back, it is firm. So you can leave it any style you want. You can actually leave it this way. You can actually take it up. You can actually fold it. You can actually leave it the way it looks now, can you see? So it can just give you different. I don't know why I don't like tying big gele. All those gele are good. You want to go and waste money or learn, not waste money. Spend money and tie your gele. Or give someone money to help you to tie it. But because you can't, like Lolo, I can't tie those big gele, right? But I like simple things. I like simple things, but gorgeous. Simple, but gorgeous and unique. Use your hand to arrange this the way you want it. If you want it too high, because the material is enough, you keep taking it up. The material is firm. It's not that soft. It's firm. That line at the front that shows the name of the material, I don't like it showing. You may love it. Some people said they prefer it that way, it's a style, but I don't like it that way. That's why I'm pushing it inside. The line that normally carries the name, or usually carries the name of the material, so I pushed it inside and arrange the Ankara. Because you've tied the two edges at the back and made the middle loose, it already has the shape, right? It already has the beauty. Then this arrangement I'm making now, it depends on you and what you want, So I'm just doing it this way to just give it a different look. Like I said, because you've tied the two edges, it's already firm. So with that, you can give it any shape you want, any style you want, any pattern you want, So that is the way I want to make a little moderate. See the way it looks now. Wow. Isn't this cute? Isn't this amazing? Look at the way it looks. Look at the way it looks. Look at the way it stands. Don't mind me. I can't stop arranging it. Do you know, even from here, you can give it a different style. Push it aside. You make it slanting. But I just like the way it is. Can't you see how beautiful this Lolo looks here? Simply because of a few seconds Ankara style of gele. I like it, so that's why I love making it. Like I said, all those big, style, everyone, the same, but this is cute. Can't you see how it looks? It's cute. So guys, I appreciate you coming. I appreciate you watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are coming for the very first time. Like this video, share it if found interesting, let someone learn it. Most important thing as a lady, do some things yourself. Kisses, guys. Kisses like this. If you cannot do this, let me know on the comment section. See you guys.